Can you tell me what your name is?
Batman.
No, what's your real name?
Alfred and Robin.
What's your real name?
Michael.
Michael what?
Michael Henry Motorcycle.
Michael Henry Motorcycle. And how old are you?
3.
Yeah, did you just have a birthday?
Yeah.
Yeah. You gonna read me a book? What book are we gonna read? Let's look at it.
That one.
What's this book called? It's called Batman. Right? Which story do you want to read?
I'm gonna read the Dragon Disaster.
The Dragon Disaster. Let's see, what page is that on? Okay. The Dragon Disaster. All right, buddy.
Look, stickers.
Yeah. Can you read the story to me?
The Dragon Disaster. This one. Then that not the baby's eye, the big dragon flew over the city. How did this happen? He said. Batman paced to the barrel at the dragon. The dragon bit right through it. He needed help. He sang Susan. We can bring the dragon down again, said Batman. Soon the dragon was trapped. Wonder Woman winked a mind to the dragon until it disappeared. The dragon was gone in no time. It's good to have friends like you, said Batman. What a grin.
That was pretty awesome. Can you give me a high five? Give me a high five.
I want to get a sticker from this.